margarita pizza, please.
As you see, I've already done the Play-Doh bread for the pizza. I'm going to help Maya with this as she doesn't know how to do it, so I'm going to help her. So yeah, and her dad's going to be doing one. And we're going to make all different kind of foods out of pizza. So, no, we're going to make all different kind of foods out of Play-Doh. Sorry. Making food out of Play-Doh. We're going to do a pizza. Aren't we, Maya? Can you do a pizza? Yeah? Maya, I'm winning for you. You should thank me. Oh, I love you. Oh, you're not making food, are you? You're making the snack. But I'm winning for Maya. Isn't it, Maya? Look, I completed your pizza, darling. I love you, baby. Maya, you won, baby. This is Daddy's, look.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you, Maya.